So the basic definition of slope is rise over run. Rise would be the vertical change and run would be the horizontal change. So slope of a straight line is equal to the vertical change over horizontal change. So if this is the line and these are 2 points on the line, then the vertical change would be that and the horizontal change would be that. So if I'm given 2 points, x1, y1, x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2, these are 2 different points on the line. So if there are 2 points on the line, then the vertical change, vertical is the difference between the y coordinates, y2 minus y1. So this would be y2 minus y1 and the horizontal change would be x2 minus x1. So that is the horizontal change, x2 minus x1. So the slope of a line joining 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So the difference in the y coordinates divided by the difference in the x coordinates. So that would be the change in y over change in x. So if I'm given 2 points, let's say 3 comma 2 is 1 point on the straight line and another point is 7 comma 3. So the slope is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So first label the points x1, y1 and x2 comma y2. So this is equal to y2 minus y1, so that's 3 minus 2 over x2 minus x1, which is 7 minus 3. So that's 1 over 7 minus 3 is 4. So we need to take the points, label them, and then use the formula. Now suppose I have the point 1 comma 3, 1 comma let's say 5. So m is y2 minus y1, so the difference in the y coordinates divided by the difference in the x coordinates. So let's label the points first, x1, y1, x2, y2. So 5 minus 3, so that's the difference in the y coordinates divided by x2 minus x1, so that's 1 minus 1. So 5 minus 3 over 1 minus 1 is equal to 5 minus 3 over 0, which is undefined, because a number cannot be divided by 0. So if you see a 0 in the denominator, then the number is undefined. So if that's a 1, so you're looking at 1, 3, so that's a point, and 1, 5. Notice that if the x coordinate is fixed, what that tells us is that the line is a vertical line. The slope of a vertical line is undefined. Now suppose we have, let's say 3 comma 4 and negative 6 comma 4. So m is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, which is equal to, let's just label the points real quick. So that's x2, y2. So that's y2 minus y1, which is equal to 4 minus 4 over negative 6 minus 3. So that's equal to 0 over negative 9, which is equal to 0. So the slope of this line is 0. Let's see what this line looks like. So it's negative 6. Let's say negative 6 is here. 4. So that's negative 6, 4. And 3, 4. Let's say that's a 3 and that's a 4. So that's a 3, 4. Notice that this is a horizontal line. So the horizontal lines have slope the slope is equal to 0.